Lalganj candidate Shivani Shukla on the motorcycle with me.
Shivani Shukla Jindabad!
Do you love me?
I'm here on the motorcycles of the RJD of the candidate Shivani Shukla here at the Lalganj Assembly constituency. She is right ahead of us. I'll try and get on the motorcycle with her to speak to her. She's a UK educated young LLM from UK who's returned back to Bihar because her father Munna Shukla is considered the Bahubali Neta of these regions. We'll try and post to Shivani Shukla how life in Bihar is, how Gen Next of politicians in Bihar relate with the people, and what Bahubali Neta really means in the confines of rural Bihar. Join me on this bike journey in the heart of Lalganj near Patna in Bihar. Lalganj candidate Shivani Shukla on the motorcycle with me. Let's see if I can ride through the roads of Bihar. How does it feel riding in this ones of Bihar after coming back from UK, ma'am?
It feels kind of normal because whenever I used to get chutti, I used to come back to my place.
Oh, okay. What does Bahubali Neta mean in Bihar, ma'am?
I do not care what it does mean in Bihar. I just care what I understand of it. And Pranam bhaiya, dhyan rakhe ke aage chalu. I understand that Bahubali means where everybody is with that person with their whole strength. And if there is lack many people together with one person by the side of him and being a backbone, that's what makes a person a Bahubali.
Acha, have you seen the Bahubali movie, the South Indian Bahubali movie? Have you seen it?
See, now you prove my point, right? Prabhas's like Dola Shola was exactly like Bahubali, right? I hope my dad also has that thing.
Who is the Kattappa in the family?
Oh, I don't know who's the Kattappa in the family, man. Oh. But if somebody is, then I'm sure Kattappa did well for Bahubali and for the best of Bahubali and his son. So there are many then. Let's catch that.
What is the aspiration of Bihar? What's the new gen aspiration of Bihar?
To study, to get jobs, and to stop going around in the country, rather to work back in Bihar and develop the Bihar in the manner it should be, because people from Bihar go all around India or the world to develop. If the Silicon Valley is anything, then I'm very much sure that more than 50% people are Biharis.
You know, the one thing that I found about Bihar is that we don't even know who the IT minister of Bihar. Do you know the IT minister of Bihar? You think Bihar can get a Google? You think Bihar can get other things? Or is still Bihar lagging behind and all that?
What do you think me and Tejaswi ji and many other youth who are aspiring to come here are trying to do?
Okay.
We are here to build everything from the ground up.
My last question to you, most people who leave Bihar for education rarely come back. Do you plan to stay on here and work for the people? What's the message from London to Bihar?
Oh, the only message is that everybody should get education. How much ever, get education, speak like us, think like us, and actually think better than what we are thinking right now.
And the fun part of being here, fun part of an election campaign, I'm sure you had fun during your college times in London, but what's the most fun part of being in an election campaign?
Dude, meeting people. See, everybody loves me. Do you love me?